Hurry up, Lucas! It's 9 a.m. now, or we'll be late. Lucas! Lucas!
I'm coming right now.
15 minutes later.
Sorry, I forgot where my wallet was, so I had to go look for it. Luckily, I found it, but it's late.
You should have prepared last night. The festival had already started for 30 minutes.
I am sorry.
At the Multicultural Exchange Festival. Whoa! It's busy and hectic here. Be careful or we'll get lost.
Okay.
Wow. Look, guess where she's from?
She could be from India or somewhere in Asia.
Her clothes are so pretty. Let's ask her.
Hello. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Your dress is so beautiful. Where are you from?
Thank you. I come from India.
Whoa! So I guessed right.
I really want to visit India in the future.
Yes, you can keep in touch with me.
What school are you studying at?
I'm studying at Smart School.
Thank you. See you next time. Look at him. He has amazing hair color and beautiful eyes. I'm falling in love with him.
Wake up, Nia! Wake up!
Let's go say hi to him.
Nice to meet you. Are you from Germany?
Hello. Sorry, I'm not from Germany.
So, what country are you from?
I come from Korea.
Oh no! But you don't look Korean at all.
Yes, I was born and raised in Korea, but my parents are not of Korean descent.
So, where are your parents from?
My parents are from Hungary.
It's so special!
Yes,
So, which city in Korea are you from?
I come from Seoul capital.
How long have you lived here?
I've lived here for 2 years.
Is this your first time in this festival?
Yes, the first time I came here. That's a very wonderful.
Have you visited any other countries before coming here?
Yes, I lived in Thailand for a while, about 2 months to learn the culture there.
That's very wonderful. I find Thai cuisine very wonderful. Sour and spicy, but very attractive.
Hope you enjoy your stay here.
Nice talking to you. Have a nice day.
Goodbye. Is this the most popular group right now?
You said it right.
Are they visiting from another country?
That's right. I heard they're from Australia.
I love their music.
Okay, are you guys excited for the music at the festival? I like it very much. Now let's go back to today's lesson. Where are you from? When someone asks you, where are you from? How do you answer? Very easy. You can say, I come from your country or city.
Your dress is so beautiful. Where are you from?
Thank you. I come from India. Or, if someone asks you, what country are you from? How do you say? Yes. You can say, I'm from your country.
So, what country are you from?
I come from Korea.
When someone asks you, are you visiting from another country? How do you say? Exactly. You can say, yes, I am, I'm from. Or I come from your country.
Are they visiting from another country?
That's right. I heard they're from Australia.
When someone asks you, which city are you from? How do you say? Right. You can say, I'm from your city.
So, which city in Korea are you from?
I come from Seoul capital.
When someone asks you, how long have you been here? How do you say? Yes. You can say, I have been here for days, months, years.
How long have you lived here?
I've lived here for 2 years.
So, when you want to make a new friend, how can you say?
Hello, I am. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
What's your name?
My name's.
Where are you from?
I'm from.
Nice talking to you.
Me too.
Good job! These are basic English sentences. You can practice them at home. Thank you for watching the video coming here. If you like it, please click like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next videos. Bye.